Hi, I wanted to show you how to roast a chicken. Do you hear the skin crackling? Oh my goodness, so good and so easy. Check it out. I marinated the chicken overnight with basil, garlic, and spices, stuck some oranges where the sun don't shine, set the oven for 375 for an hour and 30 minutes. I took the chicken out of the oven every 10 to 20 minutes and made sure that I basted it. I made sure that I took the lid off as well. It just fell off. Mmm. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Yeah, that's done. Let's let it rest. Yum! Be patient while you let it cool off so you can handle it a lot better when you're deboning. Save all the flavor in the bottom of the pan so you can use it for sauces. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, but make sure you wash them before you start. Slice the chicken in half and start pulling away the meat off of the bone, and save the bones so you can make a broth. You can get so many meals out of this one chicken, and it only cost me $10. Oh, this looks so good. I'm so excited to get this in my belly. My family made 3 different salads. We started off with my daughters. That's leftover bacon that I hide in my fridge. Shh, don't tell them. And then my husband's. I can't even find the ketchup in the fridge. He likes hot sauce on his chicken. Yum! And I'm currently doing the Whole30, so I'm only eating whole foods now for 30 days, and this is what I came up with. So good. I plan on making things like chicken salad and maybe some sandwiches for lunches in the next week. Hope you enjoyed watching. Have a nice day.